Living rooms often feel cluttered because we lack smart storage solutions that blend with style. The key is choosing storage that's functional but still complements the aesthetic of your space. Start by identifying what items need storage: books, electronics, blankets, kids' toys, or seasonal decor. Built-in shelving units are perfect for displaying books, plants, and decorative pieces while saving floor space. Floating shelves create an airy, modern look and give extra room without overwhelming the walls. Consider closed cabinets below open shelves for hiding clutter while maintaining a clean aesthetic above. Coffee tables with built-in drawers or hidden compartments are excellent for small living rooms. Opt for nesting tables that slide away neatly when not in use to save space. Storage ottomans double as seating, footrests, and hidden storage for blankets or remote controls. A lift-top coffee table offers both workspace and hidden compartments, combining practicality with design. Sofa-side storage caddies or narrow side tables provide accessible space for remotes, chargers, or books. Built-in window benches with storage inside create cozy seating while offering hidden compartments underneath. Console tables with drawers behind sofas are perfect for storing chargers, stationery, or everyday essentials. Use woven baskets under side tables for flexible storage that adds natural texture to the room. Vertical storage units maximize wall space, perfect for apartments where floor space is limited. For small rooms, wall-mounted media consoles keep things tidy without taking up floor area. Choose furniture with slim profiles that still integrate drawers or shelving for subtle hidden storage. Storage ladders can hold throws, magazines, or baskets without overwhelming modern living room layouts. Consider modular shelving systems that grow with your needs and adapt to changing spaces. Bookshelves with concealed cabinets at the bottom give you both display and hidden storage options. Rolling carts can serve as flexible, movable storage for craft items, books, or small electronics. Corner shelving units transform awkward, unused spaces into stylish storage opportunities. Under-sofa storage bins are discreet, yet perfect for seasonal items, pillows, or kids' toys. Choose wall-mounted racks for displaying magazines or organizing mail without cluttering your coffee table. Use decorative trunks as coffee tables, combining vintage style with practical hidden storage space. For tech-heavy homes, media consoles with cord management keep wires organized and hidden neatly. Mirrored storage cabinets brighten a room while hiding away clutter behind reflective, elegant surfaces. Consider storage poofs, smaller alternatives to ottomans that provide quick hiding spots for essentials. Incorporate floating corner shelves to hold plants, candles, or photos without taking up floor space. Layer baskets of different sizes under console tables for easy access to hidden essentials. Choose TV stands with both open shelving and drawers for flexible, balanced storage options. Slim wall-mounted cabinets can hold books or dinnerware without visually overwhelming your living room. Use transparent acrylic boxes for visible but neat storage that still looks stylish and modern. Built-in fireplaces with shelving on both sides combine architectural style with hidden storage solutions. Storage coffee tables with lift-up lids keep items out of sight but easily accessible. Mix decorative objects with storage boxes on shelves for a curated yet functional look. Wall-mounted pegboards or modular grids can hold plants, baskets, and essentials in customizable ways. Consider transforming unused alcoves into built-in bookcases or cabinetry for maximum hidden storage potential. Sofas with built-in drawers beneath cushions provide unexpected and practical storage for compact homes. Opt for dual-purpose furniture, like daybeds, with underneath storage drawers in multi-purpose living spaces. Keep seasonal items in labeled storage boxes that slide neatly into built-in cabinets or benches. Use vertical cabinets with glass doors for elegant display while hiding less aesthetic items below. Incorporate rolling underbench drawers for kids' toys, making cleanup quick and effortless every day. Floating TV panels with hidden compartments create a sleek, modern focal point while adding storage. For minimalists, choose invisible wall cabinets that blend seamlessly into painted walls for hidden organization. Combine natural textures like rattan baskets and wood shelving for storage that feels organic and warm. Layer decorative trays on coffee tables for storing small items without cluttering the surface. The best storage blends function and style, keeping your living room organized without sacrificing beauty. By choosing smart storage solutions, you'll create a living room that feels both cozy and functional.